So hey there, mountain riders, it's Wayne from America Rides Maps, and we are heading east on US 19. We've just left Maggie Valley and we're heading over towards North Carolina 209, the Rattler. I'm going to show you a little shortcut. Well, it's not really a shortcut, it's just a different way to go from US 19 over to the Rattler, North Carolina 209 by passing through Lake Junaluska. Now, if you stay on US 19, it goes up and joins into US 74. It's kind of a messy junction up there. Then you have to cross a couple lanes of traffic to get real quick into the exit and get off the highway again. And then you have to loop around, go through a couple lights. So coming over here and going through Lake Junaluska is could be a much better alternative for you. It's not going to take a whole lot longer, particularly if you get stuck at a couple of those lights. And it's kind of a neat place. So this is kind of the Methodist center of the universe, really. Religiously oriented place, and you'll notice that real quick when you get here. But it's cool. Been here a long time, probably since the 1920s, 1930s, and it's got a nice little community, and it's all centered around this this man-made lake, Lake Junaluska, which we'll see on our right over here to a little bit. Now, one thing that's kind of neat is you'll notice the houses through here. A lot of them date back to the 30s, the 40s, and they're those craftsman-style homes that were popular in that time period. And now they're lake cottages, and there's the lake over there. And they're kind of cool. Now this roadway comes along we're on the north side of the lake here. There's also a roadway along the south shore, so you can make a complete loop of the lake if you'd like. But we're just going to kind of pass through here and show you the shortcut. So there we have the World Methodist Museum. Bunch of historic stuff. Little garden up there, the Wesleyan Garden. Off to the left here is the Junaluska Terrace. It's a big inn, and actually the rooms are fairly decently priced there if you're looking for a place to stay in the area. Off to the right here, there's little cafes and stores and things like that. Then that is the Stewart Auditorium, another historic building, big round thing where they have events and all kinds of religious gatherings and stuff. And then there's this really neat stone church right on the lake here. Kind of looks like what you'd see over in England or whatever. Just kind of a neat historic spot. That's a cool place, breezy corner. It used to be a restaurant actually in there, but now it looks like it's turned back to just a residence again. So we're getting up high above the lake. You'll often see a lot of people around here. Oh, I'm sorry, the restaurant is up here, the Sunset Inn, and I think it's just the inn now. You'll notice there's usually a lot of people around here because there's a really nice walking trail around the lake, and it totals a little over 4 miles to go all the way around. There is a wooden footbridge that divides it into a little over 2 mile segments. Lambeth Inn. I've never been up there. I think that's mostly for the religious type stuff. Got somebody down there on the jogging path walking their dog, which is where you'll find me almost every day. I bring my dogs over here. I don't live far from this place, so it's kind of neat. And like I said, it's a man-made lake, and here's the dam that made it. So it's a one-lane bridge, one car at a time. It's kind of a neat thing to go over. We've had a ton of rain, so the dam is spilling a lot of water over it right now. In fact, that whole area down there was just flooded yesterday, and now the water's receded. So once you come across the dam, it's just a short drive here. We're gonna leave the lake now and head over to North Carolina 209. There's an exit, entrance, whatever up here. We're just gonna go out and hang a left. And within just a very short ways here. There it is, that's 209 up ahead. And if you want to do the Rattler, you just hang a left and off you go. So this is a useful shortcut. Hope you liked it. Thanks for checking us out. You can find more of our videos on YouTube, and I'm going to be posting a bunch more here as the weather gets a little bit better. Right now it's hit and miss. So keep your eyes out for our YouTube channel. Check us out on Facebook, and you'll also find us on Instagram and most of the other platforms that we can manage to get on. Bye now.